Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into helping you streamline your online shopping experience using Notion, a powerful organization tool that's been gaining immense popularity. Firstly, you'll want to set up a new page in Notion for your online shopping. This is where you're going to keep track of all your shopping details. It may seem like an extra step now, but trust me, having a dedicated page for this purpose will make your life much simpler. This helps us because it organizes everything in one spot, avoiding confusion and misplaced information. Next, let's create a table. This will serve as your online shopping tracker. Each row in the table will represent an item that you plan to buy, and the columns will include details like the item name, price, link, and status. The reason we do this is to have a clear and concise overview of our shopping plan. With this, you can easily check and update your shopping status, helping you stay on top of your purchases. Now that we've done that, let's take it up a notch. Use Notion's Properties feature to add a checkbox for each item. That way, you can mark off items as you purchase them. It's a simple yet effective way to visually manage your shopping list. Moving on, it's time to use another great feature, the template button. Create a template for every new item that you want to add to your list. This button will automatically create a new row in your table with all the necessary columns. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. It's saving you from repetitive tasks and making the process faster and more efficient. Lastly, make use of Notion's Reminders feature. Set a reminder for the delivery date or for a sale you don't want to miss. This is an excellent way to ensure you never miss a delivery or a bargain again. Let me explain why this matters. In the world of online shopping, being timely can make all the difference, and these reminders will keep you ahead of the game. And that's it. With these steps, you've transformed Notion into a powerful online shopping organizer. Remember, the key to efficient online shopping is staying organized and keeping track of your purchases. Notion enables you to do just that. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.